I would like to share a real life example of how we use our drone, not just for filming but also for scouting. So we just drove up the highway. So this is the highway over there, and according to the map there should be like a boondocking spot down this road. So the problem is we don't know if maybe there's a gate, or maybe there are fallen trees, or maybe there are other people in that particular spot. And if we arrive there, are we gonna have enough space to turn around, with our rig? So this is why I use our drone for that purpose. So let me fly it, and we'll just do this reconnaissance exercise together. So I'll be filming so you can see what I see. So let me go up a little bit. And as you can see, so there's a bridge, and this is the highway where we came from. Let's go up. So this is the Blue River, and I'm thinking about that spot over there, so let's fly. I think this is a good spot actually. So nobody's here. It's fairly close. I mean, we could continue driving forward, but this is actually a nice spot. Yeah, so it's actually perfect. We don't have to drive too far, and as you can see, plenty of space to turn around. So that's how we do it. So it's a good example. I really hope you find this useful. Take care.